We're going to start by adding a base, which you can choose what kind of color theme you want, but I'm going to go for like a pastel pink theme. I'm going to start adding the walls, but leaving the corners for a different color. I decided to add a birch sidewalk. And then of course we're using stairs for the roof. And then just a few finishing touches on the outside. So now we're going to head on over to decorating the inside of the house, but before we do that, I'd love to give a shout out to Dragon Tamer Gaming. He has a gaming channel where he does Roblox and Minecraft and lots of other games. He also has lots of tips, he's really good at explaining how to play, so if you like these kinds of videos, then you should definitely go check out Dragon Tamer Gaming. I'll put a link in the comments. And now we're going to head back on inside to our house and we're going to add some windows. And since this house is kind of low on space, I'm going to have a little shelf kind of where the bed can be, so it's like a separate area. And under this area we have a little more room for storage. Now I'm going to have to add some light, some decorations, a crafting table, and things like that. And this is the result. I hope you liked it. I'm thinking about doing more of these videos in the future, so if you did like it, let me know. Thank you for watching, and I hope to make another video again soon.